What is inside the pyramid in Egypt? The inside of the pyramids of Egypt, especially the Great Pyramid of Giza, has fascinated explorers and archaeologists for centuries. While the exact contents of the pyramids can vary, here's a general overview of what is typically found inside the most famous pyramids. 1. The burial chamber. The primary purpose of the pyramids was to serve as tombs for the pharaohs and their treasures. The main chamber inside the pyramid, often referred to as the burial chamber, is where the pharaoh's sarcophagus stone coffin was placed. This is the focal point of the pyramid's internal structure. In the Great Pyramid, the burial chamber was originally intended for Pharaoh Khufu, though his sarcophagus was found empty when the pyramid was explored. 2. Sarcophagus. The sarcophagus inside the burial chamber is often made of massive stone, sometimes granite, and is typically unadorned or engraved with inscriptions. In the Great Pyramid, the sarcophagus found was made of red granite and is notably damaged, suggesting it had been looted long ago. 3. Passageways and shafts. Inside the pyramid, there are several passageways and shafts that connect different chambers. These were constructed to prevent grave robbers from easily accessing the burial chamber. Some of these shafts also had symbolic or religious significance, possibly aligned with stars or certain constellations, linking the deceased to the afterlife. The Grand Gallery is a large passageway in the Great Pyramid that leads up to the king's chamber, and it is one of the pyramid's most impressive architectural features. 4. The King's and Queen's Chambers. In larger pyramids like the Great Pyramid of Giza, there are usually multiple chambers. The King's Chamber is the main burial chamber, but some pyramids also have a Queen's Chamber, which may not have been used for a queen's burial, but could have been symbolic, religious, or ceremonial. These chambers were intended to house the body of the pharaoh and sometimes their treasures or items believed to be needed in the afterlife. 5. Artifacts and treasures looted. The pyramids were initially filled with treasure, including gold, jewels, and ceremonial objects meant to accompany the pharaoh into the afterlife. However, most of these treasures were looted by tomb robbers long before modern excavations began. Some items and relics have been found in various pyramids or the surrounding burial sites, but many have long since disappeared. 6. Antechambers and smaller rooms. Some pyramids, such as the Pyramid of Djoser and others in the Giza necropolis, have smaller chambers or antechambers, which might have been used to store the pharaoh's personal belongings, food, or ceremonial items. These chambers often contain inscriptions or carvings. 7. The pharaoh's body. In many of the pyramids, the pharaoh's mummified body was originally placed in the sarcophagus. The mummification process was crucial to preserving the body for the afterlife, according to ancient Egyptian beliefs. However, by the time modern archaeologists began exploring the pyramids, most of the mummies had already been removed or lost, likely due to theft or decay over thousands of years. 8. The symbolic significance. The design of the pyramid itself, including the placement of the burial chamber, passageways, and shafts, was symbolic. Egyptians believed the pyramid's shape helped the pharaoh's soul ascend to the heavens and join the gods, particularly the sun god Ra. Fun fact: in 2020, scientists discovered previously hidden cavities inside the Great Pyramid using advanced scanning technology, revealing more hidden spaces that may hold secrets yet to be uncovered. The interiors of Egypt's pyramids, especially the Great Pyramid, were primarily designed to house the body of the pharaoh and ensure their safe passage into the afterlife. While most of the treasures have been lost to looting over the centuries, the architectural and symbolic elements inside the pyramids continue to amaze modern explorers and archaeologists. The true mysteries of what might still be hidden inside remain a subject of much fascination. If you enjoyed learning about the secrets inside the pyramids of Egypt, don't forget to like this post and subscribe for more fascinating facts and discoveries from the ancient world. Stay curious and keep exploring.